Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Yancy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. I am trying my best to post 6 times a week, maybe 7 times a week, so my watch hour goes up. So if you can play any of my playlists even for 10 or 15 minutes, it helps out so much. We're getting closer and closer to those 4,000 watch hours. Also, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up so that video can go out to everyone else around the budgeting community and the YouTube area, so you know they can find me. So today, it's Friday. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe it's Friday already. Like, where in the world has time gone? We are done with this month. Like, we just started. What happened? Don't mind my nails. Nail polish, they're shipped. It's okay. Soon I'll do my nails. We have $45 today to play with, so I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and get started and not waste time. I'm excited to see how today's goes. Woo, it's a beautiful morning, as I can tell. My window's open. It's so bright out there. Yes, so let me know how's your weather out there. How you guys doing for this Friday? And of course, the train never fails. Y'all know that, right? We love the train over here. I live in the entrance of 2 trains. Both of the entrance, whichever entrance you go in the house or the neighborhood, you're not gonna run away from it. So we hear it all the time. But I remember back then when we had just moved in, a few years back, I remember that it would pass 2 times an hour, 2 to 3 times an hour. And I'll be like, oh my goodness, that's annoying. So this one right here is the biggest challenge right here from SNC Badges Creations. So yeah, so the way how this works, you guys, so the way how I do it is everyone gets $1, okay? And we have $45 today to play with. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to move you. So let's see. All right, let me take a little cute thumbnail. Shall we? All right, hold on. Okay. Here we go. All right. 1, 2, 3. Cheese thumbnail it is. Okay, my tripod is just moving like crazy. I have no idea why, but okay. All right, guys. Let's see. Let's move this somewhere here. I don't know how. I only have 2 5s and 1 10. I don't have much. I know. Okay, here we go. Alrighty, good luck everyone. We got a 1, so excited. A 4, okay. A 6. Let me do it like this so I know how much that one got. A 3, because last time I got confused. Oh, a 4. I don't think you can see that. And Happy has arrived from bringing Eric from school. A 4, okay. Ooh, a 2. All right, we need a 5. A 2. Ooh, the 2 got a 5. Okay, we need a 4. Come on, number 5. We got a 1. Come on, number 5. We got this. 4. Come on. Come on to the radio on this Friday night. Oh, come on. Number 3. Number 1. Come on, 5. We need a 5. 1. Oh my goodness, guys. A 6. Ooh, a 6 got a 5. Oh my goodness. Okay. Here we go. A 4. Come on, 5. We need 2. Where are you at? A 1. Oh my gosh. A 1. Okay, who's gonna get number 10? Here we go. Number 1 got a 10. Oh my goodness. A 4. Oh my goodness. What's going on? A 4. I'm done. I'm so sorry. Number 5. They don't want you to be done. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. Come on, man. We got $2 left. Man, who's gonna get the last one? Wow! You're kidding. Why you had to do us like that? Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm gonna start with this one because that's the one that I get a little bit confused. Last time I got confused. Okay, let me do this. Here's that. All right. That was crazy. Okay, now that song is stuck in my head. Come on to the radio on this Friday night. Okay, Yeah, enough with that, right? Okay, here we go, guys. All right, so this one right here. This one right here got, let's see, we got a 5, so that's exciting. 5, 6, 7, 8. It has an 8, so we're gonna color an 8. Yes, woo! So far we have 7, 8, and 1 on this one, so that's good. Okay, we're gonna put that one away because it's a little bit too big for us to put it in the envelope. I could fold it, but I don't want to fold that beautiful challenge. So there's that. Okay, next. All right, this one right here got the most, I'm not mistaken. So this one right here got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. You hear that? 17. Okay, so we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Woohoo! Yes. So this one is $1, $2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So yeah. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes. Oh, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. I don't know how much this one will save me, but it's very exciting. I think I'm not going to clip this because we don't have any money really left over. So yeah. Oh my gosh, that's exciting. Okay. All right, awesome. So number 2 is done. Now number 3 envelope. Did we have anything left over? Nope. And we only needed $2, so we completed this one. Oh my goodness, you guys, yes. Okay, we completed this one. This one got 6, so we completed this one. Hold on, let me put a 5 here. 1, 2, and 3. So I'm getting $3 out. And yes, so challenge completed for $20. Yes. And now we have $1, 2, 3, $4 left over. Ooh, let's find a freebie. Let's see which one we're gonna do this time. I don't know, but we shall see. This is for Friday, huh? Yeah, it is for Friday, so it should be this one. Yeah, let's do this one. Okay, Beauty Mom's Budget. We're gonna do this one for $35. You might hear Dylan. He's over there screaming like always. 1, 2, 3, 4. He's doing better. I will say he's doing better. Okay, there's that. Awesome. So, woohoo! I'm excited to do this one. Hopefully, we do finish this one soon. It looks like very low numbers, so that's exciting. So, this is the benefit about doing smaller challenges. It's smaller wins, but it gets you excited, motivated. So, I say you should do it. Okay. Next, this one doesn't have anything left from last time, but let's see. It got 1, 2, 3, 4. It got 4, and each of them equals $2. So we're gonna do 2. So that's exciting. And this one will save us 20, but if we do the bonus of coloring the 777, it is $21. So if we do the bonus, that will be $41. So we might do that. We don't know. We probably will. We gotta max out as much as we can, right? I think so. So yeah, so there's that. And this is from, okay, so this one is from the Hopeful Budgeter. Hopeful Budgeter. The other one I said it was from Beauty. This was from Beauty Mom's Budgets. This one is from, Coco Chick on Instagram, and that one I said the name. So I will put everyone's name in the description box so y'all can check them out. Okay, so there's that. Woo-hoo. By the way, guys, y'all doing anything fun for this coming weekend? Let me know. Let me know. All right, so this one right here from Budget with Amanda got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It got 9, you guys. So let's see. All right, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We completed this one too. Wow, and we have $2 left. Oh my goodness. So how much did this one save us? Oh my goodness, we're done with this one. All right, let's see how much did we save on this one. We have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. $30 on this one, you guys. Yes, that's exciting. Look at that. So far, 30 and 20, that is $50 right there. You see that? Money adds up quick. Okay, let's find another one. Yes, Dylan. Dylan's over there whining. We already know about Dylan. All right, let's do this one. This one is on my Ko-Fi shop. It is a little thank you that I created. Hello Kitty. If you are new here, I love Hello Kitty. So we're going to go ahead and do a 2. This one is for $2 and $4, which I think is pretty doable. So that's exciting. Okay, awesome. And then we have one more left. And let's see how we did on that one. On that one, we didn't do that great. We got a 1, you guys. We got a 1. Okay. Look at this. We got a 1. And then last time we had a 3. So, oh, yes. So we are going to do a 3. Yes. So all we have left is number 6. So, yes. Okay, good. So we need $6 more to complete this one. $6 more because I messed up last time. So I did an X. That means that that one has not been completed. I know. It looks funky, but we need to complete that one next time. So we need $6 to complete this one. And this one will save us $30. And it's Live With Me from Live With Me. All right, look at that, you guys. Woohoo! We are done for Friday. That's exciting. I didn't expect that, I'll be honest with you. I didn't think I was going to do 2, maybe 1. I was like, we're close to maybe doing 1, but not 2. All right. Here you have it. Awesome, guys. Please save money. Small amounts do add up. Don't give up. And yeah, all right, guys. I hope you have a great Friday. I see you guys back tomorrow on Saturday for Cash Stuffing Saturday. Woohoo! Alrighty. Thank you so much for tuning in today. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Love ya.